Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use format painter multiple times in MS Word. Let's get started. Firstly, I have to open Microsoft Word and take a paragraph to do our work. Now I select a line. To select a line, click on your keyboard, click on your mouse and drag. Now I bold it, italic, underline and strike through, and also font color. If you want use format painter multiple times, then double click on format painter option. Now click on any word to apply this. If you want apply this one line, then select a line. If you want apply this a paragraph, then select the whole paragraph. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comments, share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.